Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me.
So loves, what did I get? What leaks? So I got the Vaseline Intensive Care Nourishing Argan Oil, the same as last time. This smells so good. Oh, it smells so good for me. And it reduces the appearance of stretch marks, so that's why I got it. So this one, it is. Got the tablets. They help with menstrual pain and inflammation. So right now I'm on my periods and they help me. They really did help me. And that I'm not excited about robal, because when I'm sick, the Panado and robot. Like when I'm really sick, if I drink Panado, I'm going to sleep. But if it's just a normal headache, I'll drink it and then headache it goes my. But if it's migraine, canadi Panado too. I would recommend these, and they balance your flow. These ones are leading your fantasy periods. They are 45 rands. And then I've got the Nivea Black and White Invisible Silk Smooth. You better use after shaving. So I got this one. Yeah, Nivea Antiperspirant. You know like I love the fact they're very heavy, because usually you roll on. I feel comfortable. I don't know why. I've been meaning to get this deodorant, but I don't know why. I think Neki decided to come to if, and Nivea was not even there. Negina had shield lit up. It looks funny and I love it. But anyway, it's a really feel like I'm gonna go high. I'm sure. I like it like give 2 4. So if I bought 2, I'm going to get them the other one if he wants it. The Vaseline, the last time I got 2 and he was like, I don't have anything. Lotion, I was like, take this one. And love this one. I wanted to get 2 for myself, but I was like, do you want this? He said yes. And then I was like, pick it when I took it. So for my reviews, got this. I get told maybe it's like a weather, or maybe it's like my hair. I don't know. I get a high. It's okay to less careful. More remark. It's okay to less careful. Like my hairstyle only lasted for 2 days. The 3rd day when I woke up, I was like, and then. So if you guys very I don't try a better wind to or maybe it's like a weather or the makeup and then it's a G. There is a high on my era ever rubber so nearly like so yeah, I don't mind that they're not good as long as I mind or tap every 2 days. It's okay. And then this one I'm using. No, I'm not using it because I have a bun on my head. I did a bun yesterday. So this one. I love it. And the minting over thing all in my own. I love it too. So good. It is so good. Hydrating Mr. Native Child. It is so good. Like in Cotonale MPL in a level peppermint, especially when of it is a tapa mororo how white most carbon lemon ring. That's our MPL oil. It is good. So that is it for now. That is it. Oh yeah, and this one too. Do you see my skin? Do you see my skin? I love it, and the fact that I'm SPF 15, I love it even more. So look at my skin. Like, it is not oil, it is there. I love it so much. So right now, I don't mind using it. I have to find something to get rid of the dark spots and all of that. I am using the Pond's. I'm using this one. Front camera ya ka enya ko focus pila mo di products and so sorry. A perfect color complex anti-max clean refresh and glowing skin, but clinically proven to fade blemishes. So yeah, so that is that for this haul. We are done. So right now let's go and unbox this ring light. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Babes, I don't know how to do baby hairs. So right now I'll just have my egg-shaped head alone without the baby hairs to decorate it. So because baby hairs, no baby ass,